Discover a charming farm on 10 plus acres, perfectly situated just 10 minutes from Cookeville. This spacious home features over 1800 square feet of living space, including 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and an office. The property also boasts a large barn, partially fenced land for farm animals, and a wet weather creek with a spring and pump house, a sizable detached 3-car garage, and multiple outdoor living spaces, including a back porch, patio, and gazebo. This farm has endless possibilities. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.